Okay, everyone, I ended up shaving. I had to go to a wedding last weekend. I want to always do these videos with my kids there, but so whenever I'm around them, I don't really have my phone out to record this. So I'm too tired to record it at that point. That's what the back is looking like. The top is growing in. Like I said, I'm not going to cut my hair this whole year. I think we said all the way to Christmas this year. It'll be one full year, maybe even longer than that, but we'll see. But that's what the hair is looking like. I got a lot of hair on the side, real thick. Um, maybe this year it'll be the year I'll go to Turkey and finally get it all filled in, get it all done. We'll see. They've been calling me a lot. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Okay, any other questions you guys have, concerns? Let's see how it grows out this year. If you want me to dye it, let me know. And I will talk soon.